Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you ready to make your life a lot simpler while you do some at-home crafts? Then check out this awesome magnet and button maker from NantFun. As soon as I took the machine out of the package, I could tell that it's made with heavy-duty, sturdy materials. The plastic all feels hardcore, and it has the metal pieces that make this machine, although it's manually operated, makes it super easy to use. The booklet that it came with sets you up so that you don't have to worry about figuring out how to use it. After a few tries, you can really start going with your crafting with no problems. The machine is really simple and it comes with all of the supplies to get you going with magnets. Now I did order a separate kit so that I can make buttons, but after I received them, they are the same size and I noticed that it is just as easy to make them. You also can reach out to the company, and if you use Canva, they can set you up so that you can make your very own designs. So you don't have to worry about having pre-made pictures. You print them out and they're easy to cut and to use with this machine. I love that I can make my very own designs on things and that my daughter and I could make these things together, making the operation super simple and easy to use. It's fun for kids, but this would be just as fun if you're making a small supply of items, either for a business or for your job or for schooling. Whatever it is, you can use this machine with confidence. The more you use it, the better that you get at it. And it's super fun to be able to be creative and make your own pins and magnets. And that's my point of view.